first step in setup with MRV is to force a software download. If this is a new installation, this process is already required. After plugging in the receiver, at the Hello screen, using the remote, press 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and the download will begin. Always make sure the software download is allowed to complete. Never hit the red reset button during a software download. If this is an upgrade and the equipment has already been activated, press the red reset button. This will reboot the receiver. Then force a software download. Once the receiver reboots, navigate to the system setup. Arrow down to network setup, then select test connection, run system test. This must be done on all receivers and they must all show no errors. If the test results are okay, MRV can be enabled. If the test results show no internet connectivity for that receiver, double check the Decca unit and make sure it's working by seeing if the LEDs are all solid green. Currently, there's no requirement for you to troubleshoot no internet connection because MRV doesn't require one. The customer can go online for information. You can refer them to directv.com/multiroom, then click on Visit our online tech forums for more information. This site can provide useful information for all functions of Connected Home Services.